There's the third Warsaw Airport. Cherokee 49 Foxtrot is final 36 Warsaw. Right, overshot just a little bit. Get this thing lined up. And on the throttle. I made that airport, so I'm going to cut my power and try to get this thing down 80 miles an hour. Roll over, straighten it up, try to get down the center line. Power's clean out. Round out. Let that air speed drop off. Ugh, that was a little rough. Alright, I can do better than that, but right now we're going to call that a day. I will talk to you guys later.